Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. One that we need to open, hot cross buns. Alright, now we're going to put this on the recorder, okay? So I'm going to play a section in tempo. I'm going to play dun 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 dun. Then you're going to repeat it. Ba ba ba. See? So, but you're not going to see my fingerings, okay? But we are going to start on the beat, okay?
This beat.
Yes, that's your beat. All right.
Which one's this one?
Which one's this one? We're not going to play that note, but that is a D, if you would like. But this is all we're playing. It's 1, 2, and 3, okay? So I'm going to play over here, and you're going to imitate what I'm playing by ear, okay? 1, 2, ready? One, two, ready, and. Now you remember your the way to hold the recorder. It's left hand on top, left hand on top. Alrighty, and thumb holding the back. Alrighty, let's. I'm gonna play this in tempo. Then you're gonna mimic what I was playing in tempo. Okay?
Do I have to hold it like this?
You have to hold it.
Do I have to hold it like a pen?
No, you can keep it at your mouth if you like to. Okay. Let's try this one. 1, 2, ready. Make sure it covers the tone hole completely.
Hey.
All right, let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, and. It's fine. Try it again. What might help you, Evan, is to keep your fingers closer to the recorder instead of coming up way up here. So try keeping them really close to it, but just barely lifting off of it, okay? And make sure they're completely over them. You might even try pressing down kind of hard over them to keep them covered. So let's try this again, okay? Ready? 1, 2, ready. So in the part of the song, that was hot cross buns, hot cross buns. You remember what's next?
One a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns.
Yes, so we're going to go into the 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns, okay? So we're going to play this in tempo. I'm going to play dun 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 dun, and then you're going to repeat it, okay? 1, 2, ready? So 1, 2, ready, and. Alright, now we're going to play together the whole song, okay? You ready? And you don't hold it like that at the bottom. You're just going to let your hand, you're going to let your thumb sit behind your first finger that would be down here. So put all of your fingers on the tone holes the correct way. Put all your fingers down. You left one out right there. And you got it. Your index finger goes to the next one. Then your pinky. And so your thumb's behind your index finger, right? What you're going to simply do is just lift these up. Just lift those up. There you go. And that's all you do. You can keep them, they don't have to be up here. You can keep them close, okay? So we're going to play this whole song together, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, and.